Hey guys, this is Kathy. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you. This is a deck that I've been super excited to get, and it's finally here. It is the Haunted Cat Tarot deck, and it is by J. Edward Neal. He's an artist, and he put together this deck. And I love cats, and I think the haunted cat theme is really cool. So if you are a tarot lover, cat lover, I think this is going to appeal to a lot of people. So I'm really excited to show this to you. So it does not come with the guidebook. I did purchase this on his Etsy shop, and I will leave a link to that down below. You can purchase the guidebook separately. So I went ahead and did that, or I believe you can also download it. But I went ahead and ordered it. This is what it looks like. It's a nice big book. And it says the official guidebook to the Haunted Cat Tarot deck. This guidebook features concise interpretations of each card in the 78 card deck. It contains large print for easy reading and includes black and white illustrations of each card in the deck. All artwork by the Dark Bob Ross artist J. Edward Neal. All card definitions by expert tarot and oracle reader Heather Neal. All right, so it's a pretty nice big book. It's got a lot of pages. It is in black and white, but it's got a big picture with the description. So I like this guidebook. I think it was definitely worth purchasing. It says, welcome to the Haunted Cat Tarot. This 78 card deck includes original art by artist J. Edward Neal and card concepts and keywords by Heather Neal. Haunted Cat Tarot is meant to encourage self-reflection. We hope that you will use it for personal insight, growth, and strengthening your intuition. More than anything, we hope you enjoy your experience with these cards. Artistically, this deck contains art covering many years of work. The very first artwork completed was The Moon, finished in 2019, while the final piece, The Eight of Tombs, was finished in December of 2022. Pull any of the cards in this deck and you'll find a similar atmosphere. Cats, moody and proud, thoughtful and playful. Most of the cats were modeled after J. Edward's menagerie of feline companions, while others belong to friends and family. Each and every card originates from a hand-painted portrait. In other words, all of the cats in the deck are based on real-life feline familiars. Well, that's really cool. That's really interesting. I don't believe it's a traditional tarot deck. So, it says for reference, the tarot suites are as follows. Staves equals wands, chalices is cups, moons is swords, and tombs is pentacles. Now your journey begins. Please enjoy. All right, so I'm excited to check this out. I have two cats myself. I have Cheddar and Slim Shady. They're brother and sister, and they're my babies. So if you guys have cats, if you're a tarot lover, leave me a comment. I'm going to go ahead and just do a flip through of this deck for you guys. Here's comes in the box. So let's go ahead and open it. And see what it's like. All right. There we go. Here's the back of the cards. Let's take this little plastic off. Love opening a new deck, a new tarot deck. It's so exciting. I love the smell of it, the feel of it. There's the box again. Okay, so here's the back of the cards. Really, really gorgeous. I love that. I love the colors. Love the artwork. Very pretty. So, let's see. We'll just start here at the bottom. There's a little info card. Has a website here. And we'll take a look. So here we have the first card, the Wheel of Fortune. Love it. I love the cat sitting on the wheel there. Let's move this up a little bit. All right. Next we have the Two of Tombs. I'm assuming these aren't in any particular order, so I guess we'll go with it. Oh, okay, so all the twos are together. So we have the Two of Moons. That's really gorgeous. And the moons was, let's see. Moons is swords. Okay, so we have the Two of Swords. Interesting. Next we have the Two of Chalices, which is cups. I can tell already I love this deck. I love the artwork. Of course, I love the cats. I love the colors. They're kind of dark and muted. Okay, we have the Three of Tombs next. Tombs is pentacles. Very interesting. Three of Moons. That's really cool with the blood moons there. Definitely not a traditional tarot deck, which I like that a lot. Makes you use your intuition. Three of Staves. Staves is wands. Three of Chalices. Gorgeous. The cats, I mean, I think they're all black as far as I know, but they do have such personality and you know, just the looks in their eyes definitely look haunted and mysterious. All right, next we have the World. That's gorgeous. Love the blue, love the color. That's really gorgeous. Next we have the Tower. Love it. That's very exciting. Very different. Next we have the Sun. The Star. Love it. The Moon. Gorgeous. And this is, of course, the cover of the box and the guidebook. Get that to focus for you. Love that card. Next we have the Magician. Nice. You can see all the different elements there. He's looking very crafty. The Lovers. That's really beautiful. The Hierophant. So I think I'm going to be using this deck a lot. The Hermit. It's so simple, but it's very, you know, it really tells the message of the Hermit. The Hanged Man. The Fool. Love it. It's kind of like a little kitten. Curious little black kitten. The Empress. She is very beautiful. Very regal looking. The Emperor. Let's compare those two. They look like they are looking at each other there, a matching pair. Very, very, very cool. Next we have the Devil. Alright, that is a badass card. That cat is looking very devilish in his top hat. The Chariot. The High Priestess. I would love to have some of his artwork as well. I think it's just absolutely stunning. The Ten of Tombs. It's kind of in a graveyard there, surrounded by all the tombs. Ten of Staves. Two of Staves. These are definitely not in any particular order, but that's okay. We have the Ten of Moons. Love that with all the moon phases. And moons was swords. Huh. Interesting. The Ten of Chalices, which is the Ten of Cups. Temperance. Love that with the two cups there balancing. Really, really, really interesting. Strength. Wow. That cat looks like it's had many lives and it's been through a lot, but it's definitely strong. We have the Six of Tombs. Six of Staves. That's really cool. I like the different pops of colors we have. Definitely speaks of different energies, those colors. Six of Moons. That is really gorgeous. Six of Chalices. Seven of Tombs. Seven of Moons. I really like the suit of the moons. Seven of Staves. Seven of Chalices. Get that to focus there. That's really pretty. So this would be the equivalent to the Seven of Cups in the traditional tarot deck. So you have the, all the different choices. You can see there's a cat, Little kitten in that one. Snake. Wreath. All different choices in all of those cups. Queen of Tombs. This deck just makes me smile, I gotta say. If you're a cat lover, if you're a tarot lover, leave a comment. Tell me what you think of this deck. I really love it. Here we have the Queen of Moons. That is gorgeous. I love these colors. The purples, you know, that reminds me of the chakras, all the different colors. This is very intuitive to me. Gorgeous. Queen of Staves. Queen of Chalices. Eight of Staves. The cards are a nice size, by the way. Trying to think of something I can compare it to. Well, here's my hand. So it's a nice size, easy to shuffle, I'm assuming. Page of Tombs. Love that. You can see the page. It looks like more of a kitten. So, you know, the younger energy of the page. Oh, look how cute. The Page of Staves. It's adorable. So yeah, the pages are more like kittens. The Page of Moons. That's gorgeous. So I have to tell you a quick story about myself. I've always had cats in my life. And I am an animal lover, of course. But cats, I think, are very special. And I've always had a black cat. Ever since I was probably about 5 or 6 years old, and quite a bit older now. And of course, that black cat has passed away, and I've had another black cat, and I'm on my third black cat. So I've always had a black cat. I think all cats are, you know, amazing creatures, but the black ones I think are very special. I really like this Page of Moons. Colors are really, really cool. I hope this is focusing good for you guys. Next up we have the Page of Chalices. That's adorable. A little bit of innocence there. The Nine of Tombs. It's just stunning. The Nine of Staves. So this is, I believe, is this Wands? Yes, so the Nine of Wands, if you're familiar with the traditional tarot, the man does have like a bandage around his head, so that's pretty cool. Been through a lot. The Nine of Moons. The Nine of Chalices. The Knight of Tombs. This little kitty has fangs. Look at that. You see the fangs there? Cool. The Knight of Staves. I think that one means business. The Knight of Moons. Gorgeous. The Knight of Chalices. I love it. This deck has a really good energy, and it's very mysterious, but it also has a lot of depth to it. So I do believe every card really tells a story. The King of Tombs. The King of Staves. The King of Moons. Again, I love the suit of the moons. It's probably definitely my favorite. King of Chalices. Justice. That is a really nice card. Judgment. Wow. Not sure if that's water or what that is around the cat. Interesting. We have the Four of Tombs. Four of Staves. Four of Moons. Four of Chalices. Five of Tombs. We have the Five of Staves. They're a little slippery, but they're brand new, of course. We have the Five of Moons. I love these blues and teals and aquas that go along with the moon cards. So pretty. Five of Chalices. I love this card, you guys. So this is the Five of Cups in the traditional tarot. You can see that we have three of the cups knocked over, two still standing, and of course the kitty is knocked over the three cups. Love it. Eight of Tombs. That's a gorgeous one. I feel like that could have been on the cover. Very haunted looking, mysterious. We have the Eight of Moons. Eight of Chalices. You might have heard Cheddar running around in the background there. I think he's enjoying the cat tarot cards. There's the Death card. That's very, very cool Death card. This cat looks like he's lived more than 9 lives. How about it? Ace of Tombs. Love that one. Such a gorgeous painting. It almost looks real, some of them. Ace of Staves. That one looks like a young cat. Ace of Moons. Oh, that is gorgeous. Focus that for you. I love that. That would be a beautiful painting to get. And I do believe he sells artwork and paintings as well. Really love that one. And last but not least, we have the Ace of Chalices. All right, guys. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this deck. Do you have it? Are you thinking about purchasing it? Are you a cat lover? Are you a deck collector? The Haunted Cat Tarot by J. Edward Neal. I highly recommend it. And I will leave the link down below. So if you guys want to purchase it, you can. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like to book a reading with me, I will leave my information down below for that. And I appreciate all of your support. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care.